Today we'll talk about how can you enable replace to your comments notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on this photo, it's going to show for you a less sorry. When you click on this photo here, it's going to show for you a list like this. And you click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings. So when you click on it, then you come to this list here. Click here on manage notifications, and it's going to take you to this list. And you come here to replace to your comments. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. Let me replace to your comments notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.